Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is August the 10th and I am using my new Super Scalper trading system. The system has this scalper, Super Scalper, along with this gold line, has the currency meter here. There's also an audio sound and a pop-up box as you see here, both for the scalper and the super signal. These three are part of this super signal. This one here is part of the scalper. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I get up, I'm in front of the computer, I'm looking at all the different instruments, and I'm looking at my daily trade plan. And then I analyze the charts, and if everything looks good, I'll manually put in this white arrow according to what my daily trade plan is telling me to do. Now here is the daily trade plan running in real time, minute by minute. We're either looking for buys or we're looking for sells, and all the different time frames from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly. So you can see what each time frame is suggesting. It's either up or down. If you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's a good reason why you are not finding any success. You have to be going in the direction of, what I do is I go in the direction of the daily trade plan. So now we can get into some of these trades. First one was the dollar CAD. I sold the first three, and the last three I bought it. So let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Now there was some high impact news this morning producing on this pair alone, which is 40 pips. So market will jump around, but after the market stabilizes, it just keeps going according to my plan. So I got in to trade at this location and I closed it out, just being happy at this general area, locking in about 17 pips, and that paid out $134. Moving right along to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. Wanted to be selling this one. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. It went mostly a little up, little down, sideways. Scalper was saying to sell. All the indicators, were given signals for selling. So let's see where I got in at. Took the trade here. Remember about the high impact news. After it stabilized, then eventually it kept going in the direction of, according to my daily trade plan. Pulled the trigger here and I closed it out here, locking in 12 pips, and those 12 pips paid out $148. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. Now looking at the bottom, this should be 21 ticks. Everything looking good. Easy to tell that market's going down and up and down and up. That's the way the market moves. Took the trade at this cursor. Took a while to, if I would have stayed in a little bit longer, I'd be up a lot more. Didn't catch it here, but this is where I caught it. Decided to close out, locking in those 21 ticks, paying out $210. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound yen. Now on this pound yen, really like trading. It's of the Forex pairs. This one here moves quite well, pays okay. Everything looking very good for going up. There's the daily trade plan saying to buy. Now let's see where I got in at. I knew that it could come back, do a pullback, but that didn't bother me. And that was all part of the high impact news at 8:30 this morning. took the trade at this cursor, and I closed it out like I say all the time, happy. And I'm usually happy when I know I've got 200 or more pips and ticks. And today for sure I know I have more. And so this locked in about 32 pips, and that paid out $221. Plus I did take a quick look at the meter here, and as you can clearly see, the yen is right at the bottom. It's a bus driver, and that's why it's moving. Look at that, 200 and well, let me make sure the box is correct here. Oh, the box was out of whack. Anyhow, it's 87. Usually, as a rule, one bus driver will pay 40, could be up to 100 pips. And then if you have two bus drivers, the one at the top, if you have two, you can easily get over 100 pips. And you'll notice from time to time, especially when you put these little cursors in here, if you change the time frame, it affects the meter here. Not a big deal. You just reapply the template and everything comes back to normal. So on the next one, it's the same thing, euro yen. Let's run a check on that euro yen. Remember, one of them is a bus driver. Still is. And the euro's further up. So further up the scale means it'll give more, like a little bit bigger of a move. So let's drag this up. Have to when I change the time frame to bring the blue box in, it'll throw the meter out of whack, but that's okay. I'm not too worried about it. So it's over 100. Remember I said if you have one bus driver, well, still 100's not too bad. I pulled the trigger here knowing it can do this, which did not bother me. And I closed out the trade right around here with locking in about 41 pips, and that paid out $284. So let's move on to the DAX 30. This one here moves a lot, pays a lot, and let's see. Dropped it down to the 5 minutes so I can get some kind of a reading. Took this trade a little bit later when things lined up a little bit better. So here's your buy arrow. Scalper's blue, another buy arrow. I was a little bit late to get to the party, but not a big deal. From there to there, look at what it paid out. Could have stayed in for almost double. But anyhow, I was happy with this when I closed out the trade. Now I took the calculator, divided by $3.75. Calculator says it should be 425. So reading should be 425. And that's, to be honest with you, is as close as I'm going to be able to get. So it's 425, and that paid out $1,593. So another great day of trading using my Super Scalper trading system. I knew it was going to be over 200. It's going to be a lot more because of this DAX 30. As the DAX 30, it was 425. But I added up everything, and it turned out to be 548 pips and ticks, and that paid out $2,593. So if your system's not producing pretty good results like my Super Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, to get all my contact information and other information, all you have to do is look right below this video. So let's say that this is the video. All you have to do is look right below it, and you'll see this button right here. All you got to do is click anywhere on here, to be honest with you. Just going to click on it, opens up another window, and then you're going to scroll down. As I mentioned numerous times, I prefer Skype. I made it easy for you. All you have to do is click on this link. We'll have Skype connection, where at that point I can answer your questions. Keep in mind, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education. Don't forget, you're going to need a daily trade plan. If you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. And make sure you put me on the white list a lot of my emails are going to the junk folder, and traders are not even getting it. So anyhow, as we scroll down here, you'll see 4 different packages. I have 2 special offers I'm going to offer. The first one will be if you buy 2. There's 4 packages, so if you buy any 2, I'll give you 1 for free. And of course, it includes a free Skype session, and whereas I can answer your questions. So moving forward, the other packages, if you buy either package 1, 2, or 3, for $50 more, I'll give you package 4. That's the one that has the super signal indicator. So that's a very low price for something that cost me $300 to have made. Anyhow, it's a very, very good deal. I would not trade any system without the super signal indicator. So that grand total for that package is only $300. You can take either 1, 2, or 3, and for the extra $50, so that'll be total $300. You'll get included will be the super signal indicator. As you scroll down, I go into each system here. There's a lot of education teaching you many different ways to trade the markets. The more you learn, the better you will become as a trader. Package 1 and 2, this one has 24 training videos. How I Trade Live has 20 videos. Each video is up to about 30 minutes long each. And then of course the last 2, Daily Trade Plans, 4 videos. Easy Trader, 4 videos. And I'm just going over either the Daily Trade Plan or the Super Signal, showing examples in each of the 3 trading sessions. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You can also send me an email. Here's my email address. Another link to my Skype. And a thing I want to mention is it takes me many hours to put these packages together. And once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back as you have a copy of it. So for that particular reason, please note that there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.